On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe that's quite smashing. Crispy, chili smashed, potatoes. Lei hong ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This episode is a bit of a companion video to one of the new recipes found in our brand new third cookbook, simply titled Young Man Cooking. For more information about this book, take a sneak peek inside, or to order your copy, I'll leave a link in the description box below. But first, let's get started with the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400. These guys here are miniature potatoes. This is ideal for today's recipe because once we go to smash them and bake them, that skin is going to really crisp up, and that is why this is so addictive. In fact, when I go to the grocery store and get these potatoes, I try to look for the ones that are super mini so that they have more kind of a skin to potato ratio. Place 1.5 pounds of mini potatoes into a stock pot. Fill the pot with enough water to cover the potatoes. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Boil the potatoes until fork tender. When the potatoes are fork tender, drain them out. Let the potatoes sit in the pot for a few minutes to eliminate a lot of the moisture. Transfer the potatoes to a baking tray. As the Hulk says, it's clobbering time, except we're not really clobbering them, we're just gently smashing them. Use a cup to smash the potatoes. Careful not to smash the potatoes too much, or else they will fall apart. Season the potatoes with salt, and fresh cracked pepper to taste. Right, so this is a smoky, bit of a spicy chili oil I made in the previous episode. It is just beautifully ruby red, and it's really easy to make at home. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. Drizzle about 4 tablespoons worth of chili oil onto the potatoes. Be sure to take the time to spread out the oil evenly. This will ensure the potatoes to be crispy. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes. You can definitely enjoy these as is, but for today we're going to make a simple yet delicious spicy mayonnaise to dip them in. 1/4 cup plant-based mayo, 1 tablespoon sriracha, 1 tablespoon chili oil, ½ teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Mix to combine. Your delicious smoky and spicy mayonnaise should look nice and thick. After 25 minutes, broil the potatoes on low for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Take a moment to admire those beautifully crispy potatoes. One stick of green onion, finely chopped. Sprinkle over the green onions. 2 teaspoons white sesame seeds, topped with some chili threads to serve. You can now indulge in these ultimate savory potatoes with absolute confidence. Not only was that fun to make, this is absolutely delicious. That definitely has a little bit of a kick to it, but man, that is just a burst of flavor. Visually, this looks absolutely stunning. It has all these earthy colors and it has that pop of red, that kind of glow from the spicy mayonnaise and the pop of green from the green onions. You get this explosive flavor from the chili oil, that smoky spiciness that gets absorbed into that delicious potato. And of course you get these contrasting textures that are really just amazing. That tender, almost butteriness from the potatoes, and then the potato skins just adds that beautifully delightful, addictive crispiness. The green onions add that extra bit of freshness, get a little flavor from the sesame seeds, and a little bit of that pepperiness from the chili threads. Of course, we absolutely have to do that crispiness sound test. That spicy mayo has that kind of butteriness, along with a little spiciness as well from the sriracha and the chili oil. It's crazy how something so simple to make is just so delightful in flavors and amazing textures. This is definitely one of those recipes that will fall onto that weekly menu. To find out more information or to take a sneak peek inside those cookbooks, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check those out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.